This video shows my next two entries for the 3D Bot Maker's King of the Mountain Race. I've built two new custom modified Hot Wheels cars based on a tuned Nomad and a Redline Noodle Head, which I call the Low-Mad and the Hammerhead. The Low-Mad is based on a 2005 Drop Tops First Edition Series tuned 57 Chevy Nomad wagon. The drop tops were introduced in 2005 as flattened, cartoon-like versions of various vehicles. Major modifications include the removal of the interior to add some extra weight, about 86 grams in total, and the PR5 5-spoke wheels have been replaced with FTEs. The car was also detailed by adding chrome to the trim and to the headlight, taillight, running lights, as well as adding some rubber bumpers. The Hammerhead is a heavily modified original 1971 Redline Noodle Head. This car was a basket case and would have required some major repair work to restore it to its original condition. Since noodle heads are known to be very fast on the orange track due to their weight and center of gravity, I decided to modify this car for the downhill fat track racing. Major modifications include the removal of the interior, replacing the cracked and scratched up windshield with one from a 2018 Sting rod, adding a front engine from a Redline Snake chassis in the headlight area, and added a lot of extra weight, about 165 grams in total. The Redline axles on this car were junk, so they've been replaced with modern Redline CM5, which are co-molded 5-spoke wheels and axles. Because of the heavy scratching and dings on this car, it was repainted with a flat olive enamel, and I added some custom-made World War II Tiger Shark teeth and eyes to give it a menacing look. This car looks like a tank and handles like a Ferrari. Both of these cars are very fast down the straightaway, so we'll see how they perform on Race Mountain. I would expect the Hammerhead to do better based on its weight, but the low center of gravity will be an advantage for the Nomad.